Day 45, Strengthened to Steward. John 21:15. When they had eaten, Jesus said to Simon Peter, "Simon, son of John, do you love me more than these others do?" With reasoning, intentional, spiritual devotion, as one loves the Father. He said to him, "Yes, Lord, you know that I love you." He said to him, "Feed my lambs." Peter, in true humility, was brought into full sonship and full stewardship. Love born of God through breaking is the only true love to entrust with God's people. Arrested development wants to lead from gifting, charisma, or self-confidence. Abiding development leads from God's love, which is first received and then released. Jesus did not ask Peter about his zeal, his courage, or his skill. He asked him about love. Love is the true qualification for stewarding that which belongs to the Father. When the self-life is judged, agreement then allows function. Mature sons feed the lambs, care for the sheep, mature others, and bear the Father's heart. Sons are those who begin to identify with the Father in what He is doing in others' lives and in nations. Brokenness then becomes fruitfulness, and love becomes the measure of maturity. All sons must enter in for themselves, as did Peter, as did Paul. And when you enter in for yourself, you learn His ways, His want. You begin to identify with Him, as Jesus did. You're living as a son through the life of the Son. And you begin to desire that which the Father desires. You no longer need others to appreciate you for you to continue to minister to them. Because now your motivation is Him. Father, do you desire this? Then, Father, I will stay with you in this and steward this on your behalf. Maturing sons are those who more and more are able to be sent out as a fuller representation of the Father. This is why we hear Jesus say, "If you've seen me, you've seen the Father." This is such a great height of oneness. Can this be said of us in our life with Him? For once self is dealt its death blow continuously by the ever-increasing work of Holy Spirit within us, we will more and more continue on into the ways of the Father, identifying with Him, becoming more skilled in our cooperation with Him. We know His ways. We've been dealt with by them. And we become those who are hearty approvers of His ways. We now see what He's after. Clarity has replaced the confusion that can often come in the midst of brokenness. The joy of our life in Him and freedom from the tyranny of self is now a source of great strength to sons. And this brings us into the place of stewarding that which belongs to our Father.